So the statement is every permutation in Sn, n greater than 1, is product of two cycles. So here the new word permutation is known. What is Sn? Sn is actually the set of all permutations defined on S. Sn is the set of all permutations defined on S. For example, if I take S is a set which contains only 1, 2, 3 element, then a permutation, I write 1, this is identity, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, these number, how many rotation possible? For this, actually, you can say this is 1, 2, 3 and this is 1, 2, 3. So this is S. The definition of permutation is a 1, 1 on 2 mapping from S to S. So for this 1, how many possible image can be? Obviously, if I define a function f from S to S, then this image, this 1 can have 3 images. That means choices are 3 possible, right? So I have 3 choices for 1, but suppose I fix this for 1, that means now the choices left for 2 are 2, and suppose I fix 3 for this 2, then so this gone, now the left element 3, and what choice left for 3? This is obviously 1 and this is equal to 6. So the Sn mean actually S3. That means the permutation defined on 3 elements. So this is we denote Sn. Now another thing is product of 2 cycle. What is 2 cycle? 2 cycle. 2 cycle, a cycle whose length is 2, whose length is 2, is a cycle called 2 cycle. That means if I say AB, this is a 2 cycle, and we know that the length of this cycle is 2, and we also know that order of this cycle, 2 cycle, is 2. That means this AB if I multiply with AB, this means if I write in the term of permutation, this is AB, BA, and this is also AB, BA. Now what is the product? A goes to B, B goes to A. That means AB, the image A, B goes to A and A goes to B. That means this is identity. So the order of AB is equal to 2. Again, one thing is 2 cycle, I can write AB is equal to BA. No difference, because only 2 elements. That means if I replace this BA, then what happen? I make these element B A here and here A B. Now the same B goes to A. That means if I multiply A goes to B, just I pick from here, and A goes to B, B goes to A, and B goes to A goes to B. It is the same result given. That means I can write BA is equal to AB equal to BA. It doesn't change anything. But this is true in case of two cycle only. The cycle of higher length or bigger length, you cannot have the freedom to write in a different order. Okay, so now this thing we know, these things we know basically. So let alpha is a cycle that is A1, A2, AK, and it is product of cycles B1, B2, B, anything I can take T, and this is C1, C2, CS. Then this I can write in terms of two cycles. Order you have to remember, otherwise, because the permutations are not commutative always, so this can differ your result. So A1 I map with pair with AK, A1 with AK, and A1 is AK minus 1, like this, A1 AK minus 2. So on the last element will be A1 A2, A1 A2. Similarly, for this part we have B1 BT, B1 BT minus 1, and the last element is B1 B2, like this. Similarly, for this part we have C1 CS, C1 CS minus 1, and C1 C2, like this. This is stop. So we have to keep in mind the order. For example we can take, if I take a cycle 1, 2, 3, then I write this 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2. Or if I add, that means it is not necessarily, if I add something here, like I say 4, 5, 4, 5, it doesn't change anything. If I add this element, because this is actually identity, if identity is multiplied with any number, we get the same result. So you have to, if you multiply something extra, then you have to multiply in pair, otherwise the result will be different. Because why the pair? Because pair actually it is equal to identity, right? So like this we can write a cycle, and you are not allowed to write like 1, 2, 1, 3. You have to maintain the order, otherwise the result will be different. Result will be different. You can see, if you multiply this 1, 2, 1, 3, if I complete this pair, I can write 1, 2, 3, because it is defined on 3 elements. So I can say this is 2, this is 1, and this 3 I extra added because it is identity, so it does not change anything. And similarly here 1, 3 and 2, 2, 3, 1. Because 2 is not here, so I add the identity, and here 3 is not there, so I add the identity. Now you see, if I multiply 1, 2, 3, what happen? 1 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 3, here is 3. 2 goes to 2 and 2 goes to 1, 3 goes to 1, 1 goes to 2. That means this is 1 goes to 3, this is equal to 1 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 2 and 2 comes back to 1. Similarly, if I take this 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, then I can write 1, 2, 2, and this is 3, this is 3, 1, and this is 1, here is 2, here is 2, here is 1, and this identity I add. Then what is the product? 1 goes to, here is 1, 2, 3, 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1. So here in cycle term I can write 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, and 3 return back to 1. So this was our actual permutation. So this case give the actual result, but this case give the result different, that is 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2. It is not 1, 2, 3. So you have to keep these things in mind.